Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make a Lego machine gun easily. So all you need is 1x2 holder piece, a harpoon gun, this thingy-a-ma-ma-jig piece, another thingy-a-ma-ma-jig piece, and a holder 1x1 piece. It has to have this hole or else it won't work. So first, you attach the 1x2 holder piece on the harpoon gun like this. Then put the 1x1 holder piece like this. Then first put this in. If you put this in first, then it won't work. I even get confused sometimes. So you put this in, hold it like this or else it will fall. And also add this thingy-a-ma-ma-jig piece. It's kind of hard. Oh, there you go. And it's all set. Your machine gun is done. So I like to attach this machine gun on this guy. And if you wonder what this is for, it's so that he can hold, pretend to hold it, but not actually hold it. But sorry, excuse me, I burped. Really sorry. And there you go. Bye, guys.